Energizer 16 feet jumper cable 6 gauge, 16 featuring booster battery jumper cables for jump starting a dead or weak battery. Ideal for trucks, SUVs, full-size cars, mid-size cars and small compact cars. Thick vinyl coating, includes a strong spring and a comfortable handle for secure placement and easy positioning. Safety featured of shelled vinyl-coated clamp for rust and corrosion protection. Carrying case included. Our Energizer jumper cables come with a high-grade travel bag for easy transport and compact storage. TANGLE free CCA booster cable 16-foot length makes it easy to reach from one car battery to another. Copper-clad aluminum cables remains flexible even at -40°C. The brand name you can trust 2 years warranty. We are here to power your car battery and truck with our booster jumper cables. We keep you going and going. Top reviews from the United States. So far so good. Have not used yet. Put them in trunk of car. I inspected them and all seems in order. Should work just fine when needed. We will find out eventually.